Where does the name for Glyndŵr National Park come from? So today I'm on Castell Glyndŵr or Glyndŵr's Mount, and that's within the proposed new national park called Glyndŵr. Let's get into the name. Now, I'm not here to talk about the economics or the ecology of the proposed national park. I don't know enough about that, but I do know a bit about place names. Now, I've seen a couple of articles come out claiming that the name for the proposed national park might be a bit of a sensitive issue, but as far as I can tell, nobody's actually said that. It's only been raised in the reporting as a possibility, and I don't think it's an entirely fair criticism. So let's really get into the name. Now, when we say Glyndŵr, we usually think of the historical figure, but his real name was Owain ap Griffith. He was named Glyndŵr because he was the Lord of Glyndŵr, which is short for Glyndŵrdwy, which is the area behind me. First we have Glyn, which means a valley, usually wooded, and then we have Dyfrdwy. Now, Dyfrdwy is the Welsh name for the River Dee behind me, and that can be broken down into two more parts. First we have Dyfr, which is Middle Welsh for water, and then we have Dwy, which is the name of a goddess who was known in Brythonic as Dewa. So the name Glyndŵr is both a descriptive place name and also a link to one of the area's most prominent historical figures. Now, I feel actually it's a strong choice compared to the other options as well. One of them was the Berwyn and Clwydian Mountains, which is accurate but a little bit of a mouthful. And the other option was Ordwyke, after the name of an Iron Age tribe from North Wales. But I don't think that was really fair, because actually the Deci Angli, a different tribe, lived along a string of hill forts up here in the Clwydians. Now, it's important we're thoughtful when we come up with new place names, and I think this one is appropriate culturally, linguistically and historically. And if the new park follows the example of Eryri and Banau Brycheiniog, it can actually do a lot to help standardise and record Welsh place names and help preserve our linguistic heritage. I'm really hoping to explore some of the interesting place names of the proposed park as well, like Dyffryn Ceiriog, Moelfamau and Penacloddia. Now, I'm not going to tell you what to think, even though I am generally in favour of the new national park, but I am going to ask that you share with them what you think, and you can do that through the consultation. I'll put a link in the comments. Now, if you want more information about what's being proposed, you can find it on the Campaign for National Parks website at cnp.org.uk. Diolch. Have a good one.